Dr. Mogul Shulchudri, MSc 007 Bhash. Welcome to Al Quran class. As a student of Al Quran class, I want to learn Al Quran. What Allah say by Quran was not to do, then what to do, no better do good or by no better do good or by capability, not being each and every good or by the name of constant materiality is precisely one and only good. For example, I give Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok lecture. Cordially, not personal, not greedy, not by force. I earned what many in case of Google, MSc version, MSc representative of MSc 007 version, MSc meaning Mohammed Shukri, MSc 007 version coordinates well. A to Z version I send to all of them and get sent to honor me to do that now. Who created me and can change, can carry, can control, can destroy me forever, can increase, can decrease me. Now my friend does about a hotel, the same one was not to do. We revise. No rape, no murder, no terrorism, no blackmailing, no psychosexual things, like gay, lesbianism, or anyone's psychos or bestiality, no sexual crime, no sexual harassment, no touching, no interest, no gambling, no cheating, no religion, no corruption, no bad addiction, like no bad addiction, like heroin, cocaine, apping, ganja, yaba, passengers of alcohol. Don't tell anyone without negligence, don't hurt each other without negligence, don't cause each other without negligence, and respect each other with rank, post, position, with designation. Now, not criticize, demise, not criticize anyone. Now, what Allah say by Quran was what not to do. Now what to do? Live one and only Creator by all name, past, present, future, forever. One and only Creator is constantly constant. For example, God is your Bhagavan, Khuda, Mahbub, Leela, Allah. As a Muslim, I say Allah, Yallah. Yallah who is the one and only Creator except Allah, all creation, last and best. Not fight for Creator name, fight for idea. Not fight for Creator name, fight for understanding. Then Allah is constant truth, Al Quran is truth. And last and best messenger Muhammad. Cordially, not corruption, not greedy, not by force. Now my friends of Islam in peace. Now, Ya Salam, Ya Allah. I salute all of them. Those hear my lecture. Now my friends of what to do? You must first believe one and only Creator. One and only Creator, Yellow, last time and best messenger Muhammad. Then by cordially gain Creator victories. Al Quran say 99 or more victories. That is the criteria of one and only Creator. That is the good victories, real victories of one and only Creator. In case of Creator, one and only Creator, Allah. In case of creation like me, Abdullah. In case of Creator like Rahman, what is the Abdullah meaning? Creation of Allah. What is the Rahman? Creation of constant helpful. Abdul Rahman, creation of Rahman, constant helpful. Abdul Rahim, creation of constant kindful. Cordially gain that victories, not corruption, not greedy, not by force. And 99 and more those are accept Islam cordially, not corruption, not greedy, not by force. If you fall in dangerous situation, if you are other reason, to fight that. No need to say that. No need to you say your mind is to one and only giver. Yallah is constitute, Al Quran is. Then you say God is your Bhagavan. Otherwise, in case of your country, it beat you, kill you, hurt you, hide you. Only no Creator and you. Only. Now my friend says God is your Bhagavan, Khuda, Mahbub, all are one and only given name. Try for understanding, not find. And you know that religious leader idealism. You can the Jewish religion, you know that one of the best prophet of Allah, Musa. In case of Christian religion, one of the best prophet of Allah is in case of Hindu religion, you know that Dawood. In case of Buddha religion, one of the best prophet, you know that. In case of I respect honor all religious leader. They also believe one and only Creator, follow the best tradition of Allah. Like other name God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Khuda, Mahbub, as Muslim, I say Allah. My religious leader is Muhammad. Fight for Muhammad idealism, not name. Muhammad is the last and best messenger. Now my friend was Al Quran class, we learned. Now those are cordially accepts, write down in his pen. Those pen have capability, ability, ability. In those paper and water. For water, milk, for honey, for oil. Allah, in case of water, Allah, name Allah, Yallah, say, write down the Abdul Quddus. Name for water, Yakudusu Allah, Abdul Quddus. In case of water, you name, write down the Ya Allahu Abdullah. In case of means Ya Qudusu yalla Abdul Quddus. In case of honey, you write down Ya Wadudil Abdul and put down. Now I say for water Ya Qudusu yalla Abdul Quddus. For means for water Allah. In case of water Allah. In case of me Abdullah. In case of water. In case of milk Ya Qudusi Allah Abdul Quddus. In case of honey Ya Wadudi Abdul Wadi. Now write down and keep that and take away only for you and your wife, soulmate and your family soulmate. Honey, you know that? Fine. Now my friends of the labology not successful, cordially, not corruption, not greedy, not bad. Now my friends of the Al-Quran class, you know that you write down the all name of people. In case of those are Muslim, 99 or more name. Then Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Karim, Ya Sattar, Ya Abdul Jalal. Also sign of Kun Fire. Kaf, Fa. Remaining one entity real entity. Then say Abdullah. Write down and then you give water, milk, honey, also in case of you any. Then water needs to eat your food and holy water needs to eat your food and you testify cordially, not corruption, not greedy, not bad. If you day necklace equal about 1,000, then you feel that. If not, try to gain that cordially, not corruption, not greedy, not bad force. Now my friends of the Al-Quran class. Now my friend is about as a Muslim, you already want to know so and every surah of Al-Quran, if you believe one and only kid or last time listeners remember, cordially, not person, not giving by force, and you write down the best surah Arabic and give in water, milk, honey, oil, then oil give you surface area and water drains and milk drains and honey drains, you understand full power. Understand? Full pain power. Cordially, not corruption, not greedy, not half. Thank you very much, my friend. Today is enough from Al-Quran class. I am Dr. Mohammed today. Today is enough from Al-Quran class.